Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is going to end up growing into an uptrend, probably eventually end up looking something like that. I think it's going to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either way, I think it's going to go up and break these highs, and most likely I'm just going to continue to primarily look for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can really start to see the high lows for what I think is a wave 1. I think this is an irregular B, and that we're currently in a wave C, which really, especially with this irregular top right here, this wave C probably is going to turn and make a higher low, and most likely turn at like the 78, maybe even the 100, and then end up continuing the uptrend to finish off what I think is a 1, a 2, eventually go up and make a 3, 4, and wave 5 of either an A or a wave 1. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually start to see the lower lows, lower highs that's making up this downtrend. We are at a Fibonacci level, and the pound has gained a little bit of strength, so we definitely want to keep an eye out for an end of a trend on shorter time frames. But until we actually get that end of a trend, I'm definitely still bearish, and I'm just going to continue to look for shorts until we have a break of structure to the upside on around the daily time frame for the continuation of this uptrend, probably the end of a wave C of wave 2. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can really start to see the lower lows, lower highs of this move. We do have an impulsive move up right there, so it's probably time for another correction. As long as it doesn't go up and take out this high right here, I'm just going to continue to look for shorts, just like I have been this whole way down. If I see some sort of a three-way pattern up, especially on a little bit of a shorter time frame, I see a lower high, I'm just going to continue to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a trend right here, and then we have a break of structure to the upside. That tells me that this whole section of trend right here is over. If that section of trend is over, that means that most likely, if this is going to continue the downtrend on the higher time frames, then most likely this is going to end up making some sort of a three-way pullback, like an ABC correction. At the end of that ABC correction, we should get an impulsive move down. We should get a break of structure, a lower high, and just end up continuing the downtrend. So like I said, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts on these shorter time frames at the end of any pullback that I may see, especially on like the 30-minute to 1 hour time frame range. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.